Hello. Yes, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Kiko Javier, isa po sa mga pioneer leaders of this very, very beautiful and amazing program na ipapakita namin sa inyo. This is Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate, the business presentation. Okay, so sit back, relax, and listen. Meron po kami magandang balita. Okay? Yan. So, before I start, I'd like to make sure na we are basically in one page, no? And few months ago, to be exact, about 10 months ago, I was exactly like this person, no? So, I was looking for something. So, I'm very, very sure the reason why na nakikinig ka ngayon, the reason why na pinapanood mo tong video na to, because just like me, meron ka rin hinahanap, no? And karamihan sa atin, we're looking for that success, no? We're looking for that big break in our lives, no? So, for so many years, actually, for about 16 long years, I have been in this industry. And I was trying and looking for and searching for this one big break na talagang magbibigay sa akin ng financial freedom, no? So, I was exactly that same person, yan pong nasa picture na yan, about 10 months ago. Then, finally, I was able to discover something. Yan po ang gusto kong pakita sa inyo, ano po ba yung na-discover ko. Okay, so this is the great news, no? Tapos na po yung paghahanap, tapos na yung struggle, tapos na po yung pag-aantay. Dumating na po sa buhay namin ang Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate Perfect Pay Plan System. Okay, so ang trabaho ko po dito, ang trabaho nitong video na to is just to inform you of what we saw. Okay, we are never here to convince anybody, no? At any point in time of this video and you feel like I'm not making sense or you're not interested in what I'm saying, then please, it's no problem. You can easily stop the video and let's remain friends, no? Kung sino man nag-share sa ng video, we remain friends, no? Wala pong problema. Because our job is just to inform people of what we saw, no? Wala po kaming plano na